Okay, so I'm not the biggest fan of fireworks. However, I do think the best way to enjoy them is from the comfort of your own house, looking out the window and watching them where you are nice, warm and safe. Now, I don't know if my dog is just unique to every other dog out there, but here he is sat at the window enjoying them going off. Then we decided to enjoy the fireworks from our front door. Ozzy wasn't 100% sure at first, but when he saw me stood there enjoying them, he decided to join me and enjoy them with me.
Good boy. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Hey, sit down.
And when he realised all was well, he even decided to brave it and sit outside and enjoy the fireworks with me, with no fear
Good
whatsoever.
boy. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
You told me to go in.
I tell him to go in.
Then after one too many loud bangs, he then decided enough was enough and retreated and went back inside.
I did it.
He had his nose now. He had his nose. So, the moral of the story is, if you yourself can remain calm and collected, especially around your pets, then maybe, just maybe, your dogs will remain calm and not get too anxious when it comes to loud bangs. And we can all enjoy fireworks and bonfire night safely from the comfort of our own homes.